Hi, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 2026 Institutional Investors Database. This includes funds, family investment offices, sovereign wealth funds, private equity firms, investment banks, pension funds, and more. And if you're looking to raise capital in 2026, this is a great database for you to review. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the databases for 2026. Now, keep in mind, these single and individual country and sector databases are made up of two large institutional databases that I have. One is a fund database, so that's all the funds that have been raised from 2022 and on. And the second database is a global institutional investment database, so that includes private equity firms, investment banks, pension funds, anybody that has to do with raising capital is in it, and you're going to see some of the smaller databases that I've created using it, and I can do custom databases if that's something that you're interested in. But let's just start on the left hand side with the Middle East Family Investment Office database. That includes all GCC. That's probably the most rare and popular database that you're going to see for most of the ones that are in this package. It's because it's very hard to find any information for Middle East investors, let alone family office ones. So this one here is, again, one of those updated databases. Everything you're seeing in this presentation is going to be a database that has either been refined in 2024 or updated in 2025. What's inside the Family Investment Office for the Middle East? 425 firms, 1,025 key decision makers, and about 495 verified contact emails. What if you don't have an email? It's really simple. If you take their name, punch it into LinkedIn, I get about a 98% hit across all these databases due to the fact that they've been recently updated. If we go to the next one, the Global Family Office Database, very similar to the one you just saw, just larger, global. It includes 3,700 offices, 11,400 contacts. Then we look at a global private equity funds database. This one has 7,300 verified contacts, 82,000 key contacts as far as professional contacts, with 52,700 emails. Great database if you're looking to raise capital and you are in the private equity sector. Institutional Real Estate Investors Database. This is the largest and most comprehensive real estate database in the world. And it is something that includes investors in real estate that are sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, insurance companies, family offices, banks and investment companies, endowments, fund of funds, infrastructure, real estate, you name it. 13,600 investor firms, 50,000 key contacts. There's no other institutional database that caters specifically to real estate investors like this one. Next, this is a database I recently compiled for a client of mine, 2,400 global funds and investment groups investing in AI. They have an AI company that is earning revenue. This has 560 verified funds, 1,850 private equity investment groups. So those are all prime targets. 38 venture capital firms. Altogether, 9,700 contacts, and there's about 9,300 verified emails. So this has been a more refined database, and it's a global coverage, and it's structured by investor type, stage, focus, and AI investment mandate. If you've got an AI venture, this database is already in more of a refined setting. Next one, another custom database, Mining and Minerals Investor Database. And this one has 102 active funds and 1,540 firms. So again, really refined targeting. This has been one of those databases that I compiled for a client of mine, 7,300 verified contacts. This is a growth capital funds database, so it's perfect for firms that are already in the growth stage, 2,300 global funds investing in expansion stage companies, and that includes around 83,000 key contacts, and that's including direct emails. Venture capital and early stage, again, this is a very valuable and popular database because it's really perfect for seed capital, 4,000 active funds, 83,000 contacts, global coverage. Core industries include information technology, AI, healthcare, financial and insurance services, business services, and real estate. This is the USA Family Office database. Again, very much like the earlier ones you saw, but it's catered specifically to the US. 1,008 family offices, 4,500 senior decision makers and investment executives, and about 2,600 verified direct emails. This is a sovereign wealth funds database, smaller, it's only 76 because there's obviously not that many SWFs in the world, but it is very powerful because it profiles some of the key ones in the world. These are the large ones. This is perfect if you're looking to raise 50, 100, 250 million dollars. This is the Middle East Fund database, so it's just purely funds, 500 Middle East funds with key fundraising contacts. Again, targeted. There's more than 6,000 investment professionals, including decision makers, partners, and senior allocators. Perfect database if you're looking to raise money from the Middle East, no matter where you are in the world. Very similar, this is the Asia Funds database. 3,700 active Asia funds, 1,978 institutional managers, more than 4,200 investment professionals. This is a FinTech global database. This is another one of my custom databases that I made recently for a client. 1,700 verified focused investors and funds, 22,000 contacts, global coverage, structured by investor stage. Basically, this is mainly financial and FinTech. And the perfect thing is this is all from 2022 to 2025. And there's been updates from 2023 to 2025 over on the investment firm side. So it's perfect because a lot of the funds are already allocating to the sector. Now that's it for the presentation of the databases that I will have for 2026, and you're also going to be able to see these on the website. Institutional database disclosure, I like to include this on all my presentations. My extensive database library provides hundreds of thousands of global contacts, typically including profiles, emails, and websites, though not all details are complete. It's primarily compiled and updated from 2021 to 2025, and most of the core updates have been in the last 2 years. Now, this corporate resource may include contacts whose roles have since changed. It's designed as an excellent starting point for outreach, and it's best leveraged and continually refined by organizations with dedicated data teams. To be clear, none of the databases that you've seen here can be scraped from the internet, so don't fall for anybody sales pitches who say they can get the same stuff by scraping the internet. It's impossible. Most of the contacts that you see here are not on the internet. And when you scrape databases, you're scraping what we call the good, the bad, and the ugly. So this database comprises a blend of individuals and companies, each with distinct investment criteria and operating conditions, so there's no guarantee your approach will be favorably received. For more information, contact DubaiInvestorsList.com. That's DubaiInvestorsList.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.